In this video, we're going to show you how to use properties in Obsidian. Properties are one of the most useful features in Obsidian because they allow you to add structured information to your notes. Instead of keeping all information inside the body of a note, properties let you organize important details such as tags, dates, status fields, authors, projects, and custom metadata in a clean and searchable format. This can make your notes easier to manage, especially if you're working with large knowledge bases, project documentation, research notes, or personal productivity systems. However, many new Obsidian users either overlook properties or aren't sure how to use them effectively. As a result, their notes can become harder to organize and filter over time. The good news is that Obsidian makes it very easy to create, edit, and manage properties directly within your notes. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to add properties to a note and use them to organize information more efficiently. So, let's get started. The first step is to open Obsidian and select the note where you want to add properties. At the top of the note, click the Add Property button. If your note already contains properties, you'll see them displayed near the top of the note. Click Add Property and enter a name for the property. For example, you might create a property called Status, Project, Author, Category, or Due Date. After entering the property name, press Enter. Next, click inside the Value field and enter the information you want to store. For example, if you're using a status property, you could enter values such as Draft, In Progress, or Complete. Obsidian automatically recognizes different property types and allows you to organize metadata more effectively. To add another property, click Add Property again and repeat the same process. You can create as many properties as needed depending on how you organize your notes and workflows. Properties can also be used together with search filters, tags, and plugins, making it easier to find specific notes later. As your vault grows, properties become a powerful way to keep information structured and consistent across hundreds or even thousands of notes. In most situations, this is all you need to do. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, open the note where you want to add metadata information. Second, click Add Property and create a property name. And third, enter a value for the property and repeat the process for any additional information you want to track. Remember that properties help organize your notes by storing important information separately from the main content. Using properties consistently can improve note organization, simplify searches, and make your Obsidian vault much easier to manage over time. This is especially useful for project management, research databases, content planning, study notes, and personal knowledge management systems. Taking a few moments to set up properties correctly can save a significant amount of time later when you're searching, filtering, and organizing information across your vault. And that's how to use properties in Obsidian. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Obsidian. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to help you get the most out of your digital tools. If there's another Obsidian feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.